Welcome back to my channel, Life with Ashley. It's Ashley and I am back with another video. So today I'm here with another unboxing video. It's a shoe unboxing video. And today we're going to be unboxing the UGG Mini Bailey Bow 2. And I got them in black. And Uggs are one of my favorite shoes because I live in a cold state. It gets really, really cold here. It snows a lot. And so I wanted to, and so I buy Uggs because they keep my feet warm and they keep me warm. So here goes nothing. I'm gonna do the unboxing for you guys. So it comes wrapped up like so. And I don't know what this is, but it came with a little card. So let's see. Just some information about the shoe. It's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Weather ratings. Open up. So it just comes with a little booklet. Okay, so here we go. Contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't be BM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Shedding. But the inside of the boot, like this shoe is very, very warm. I've had Uggs before. This is not my first pair of Uggs. This is actually my third pair. I ended up giving away my other two pair. Well, actually, I sold them. But I wish I wouldn't have sold them. Like, I want them back. Like, you guys ever sell something or donate something and give it away, and then you turn around and you like, I really want my stuff back. I do that sometimes. But it's good to donate things. It's good to give things away. But me personally, sometimes I just regret it after the fact. Anyway, that's why I went ahead and bought another pair. But as you can see, they're nice and warm. They have this, like, I don't know what this is, but whatever it is, it's really warm. These are the Bailey Bow mini Bailey Bow. So they come with just the one bow in the back. And the little UGG sign. And then this is what the bottom looks like. And I think they're really cute, really cute. Like I got black because I wanted them to be very versatile and I want to be able to wear them to work and to wear them on bum days, like where I just have a jogger. You OPN, bitch, you won't be BM. We should be closer than friends. So I went ahead and got the black pair because I felt like black would go with pretty much anything. But they come in like real cute colors, pink, purple, wheat, gray, all types of colors. So black just worked better for me because this particular one I want to be able to wear like pretty much like an everyday shoe. So I wanted it to be able to be pretty versatile. And Uggs themselves are pretty versatile. I could wear them, like I said, with my joggers on a bummy day where I'm just grocery shopping or running to the store, running errands, or I could wear them to work if I wanted to. So if you're thinking of buying a pair, I recommend them because they are pretty versatile. Where like as some other boots, winter boots, like you could just wear them in the snow, and then when you get to work you want to change from your boots to your shoes and whatnot. But these You could wear them, they're good for the snow. And then when you get to work, you could just leave them on. Like, you don't have to change your shoes because they're really cute. They're gonna go with everything. And they're comfortable. Because some other boots, like some of the big bulky like snow boots, they're not really that comfortable. They're heavy, they weigh down your foot, and that's why you don't want to keep them on all day. These are not heavy. They're really, really light, very light, like very light. So they're not gonna weigh you down throughout the day. So like I said, you can keep them on all day and you won't feel uncomfortable. You won't feel like you got a 5-pound weight on your foot. So yeah, so
if you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh.
So as you can see, they're really, really cute. I love, love, love the little bows in the back. It just brings a cute little accent to the shoe. And like I said, you'll remain cute. Like throughout the day, you'll remain cute. So yeah, and again, like I said, they're really, really light. They're really, really warm. And they're also very, 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 very cute. So these are great gift ideas. These could be a great Christmas gift if you're considering buying somebody something. They're not that cheap, but you will get a good wear out of them. Like when I buy things that are not that cheap, I need to be able to, like, it needs to last me at least a few years. Like these will last at least 3 to 4, I don't know. At least 3 years, I would say. At least 3 years. Because the last 2 pair that I had, the first pair I had for a good 3 years, and when I sold them, they were still in great shape, like great shape. So if you're gonna buy something that's not cheap and a little bit more on the pricey side, make sure that you're gonna get good use out of it, because then you're getting your money's worth. For example, if I were to buy like a pair of $30 winter boots, and then next year or after, not even next year, like I only get one winter wear out of them, then that really wasn't, like, I'm really not saving any money, because I'm just gonna have to turn around and buy another pair of boots next winter. So yeah, so here they are again. They're really cute. I recommend them. Like I said, they have really cute colors, like for your girls, like if you want to get them for your girls, really cute colors. Pink, purple, blue, gray, all types of colors. So they'll make good gifts for girls. They'll keep their feet warm, and they'll look cute at the same time. And again, like I said, very versatile shoe. I'm on my way to work. I have on my work clothes. They're gonna look really cute with my outfit today.
Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion fall on me.
I know they could be a little bit pricey. I take good care of my shoes, so they're gonna last me a really long time. My daughter, on the other hand, she's really rough on shoes. So I went ahead and I bought her the cheaper version, which is the Koolaburra, if I'm saying that right, Koolaburra, made by UGG. So I got her those. So I'm gonna be doing a review on those coming up pretty soon in one of the next videos. So you guys can see the comparison, and we'll see how those are made compared to the regular Uggs. So yep, so that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you stuck around to the end, please go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. There's more to come, more videos on the way. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.